Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 21. Among the 12 Adityas, I am Vishnu. Among luminaries, the radiant sun. I am Marichi among the Maruts. Among asterisms, the moon am I.
Chapter 10, Shloka 21. Adityanam aham Vishnur Jyotisham Ravir Amshuman Marichir Marutam Asmi Nakshatranam aham Shashi.
Chapter 10, Shloka 21. The following are the methods of meditating upon the self while living among the endless varieties of objects and beings that constitute the world of perception. In a series of 22 shlokas, Lord Krishna provides 75 items for aids in meditation. Of Adityas, I am Vishnu. Adityas are children of Aditi, 12 in number, each representing the months of the year. Vishnu is the most important among the Adityas. Of Brahmanas, I am the radiant sun. The sun is the source of all energy, which even modern physics admits. Of the winds, I am the Marichi. Maruts are the sons of Rudra and Marichi. The chief Marut is the presiding deity of the storms, wind and breeze, air in motion. Of the asterisms, I am the moon. Moon is the controller, regulator and splendor of the nakshatras, which are strewn on the path of moon in the universe. Nakshatras are also considered as the endless twinkling little stars or the lights of the night in the world. Like the moon is glorious, soothing and pleasant in the world of lights that illumine the nights, the self is inconceivably glorious, soothing and pleasant compared to all worldly experiences. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.